you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as the little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now let's get inspired by this look that I have for you, and can I tell you, I am absolutely in love. So I absolutely love blue eyeshadow, blue wigs, and blue lipstick. And per MissCarly makeup style, I only use 3 colors. So I only used this gorgeous light blue here, this radiant blue shimmer here, and then this dark blue right here. Actually, I used just a touch of this for the inside corner, so I'm really calling it 3 colors. Also, like I mentioned, with the blue lipstick, I am so excited. My first time ever trying the Jeffree Star Blue Blood Lippie product that my lovely cousin sent to me by surprise. So this look is extremely easy to do, and of course that's what I want to showcase to you, how easy it can be to do bold looks. So life is short and let's live in color. So let's just roll up this video and have a blue moment. Loving the side by side, look at the difference, loving it. So I'm gonna be using that really great light blue with this kind of fluffy blending brush that I actually got from a BoxyCharm monthly subscription, but any kind of, if you wanna just use a regular blending brush, will work just as fine. Just making that beautiful blue underneath as the transition. Now I'm using my favorite C brush from e.l.f. and I'm using that darker blue color, and I'm just getting it in that crease. And I'm taking my time just a little bit with getting the crease and also making that little V at the corner of my eye with that as well. Now this part doesn't really matter if it's a little too messy because we will be going over it with, of course, a blending brush, but just really making it super dramatic because this blue is beautiful. Absolutely love it so much. So here's that blending brush again from Morphe. And you're just going to be going over and over, blending that line out. And then I like to extend the kind of buffing to my eyebrow, kind of, that last line at the very, very bottom. But just making it look really pretty and a cohesiveness to it. Absolutely love it. So next I'm going to be taking that same brush, and because I didn't want to lose that beautiful, gorgeous light blue. So I am just kind of fluffing it out over just again, just so it pops it just a tad. Looks pretty good. Love it. So now this color, the sparkle, is so good. I did not put any eyelid primer, but by all means, you could definitely do that. But this is pretty simple. I'm actually also using another brush from a BoxyCharm palette, and I'm just going underneath the eye as well. With the same color, using the blue underneath, kind of like connecting the top to the bottom. And of course, just kind of mending that together right there. Last step, I'm actually going to be using that light blue and kind of just tossing it right in the middle of the eye. I don't know if it really made a difference, but I liked it. So here's that last little puff of just making a little bit of a glow underneath the eyebrow in the inner corner. So now it is eyeliner time. So for me, using both the Essence right here, which I'm using, and the NYX would probably be my 2 favorite because the precision, you can't really quite exactly get with this, even though I just strictly used this Essence because it has this felt tip. But my most, like I said, best duo would be this, and then of course the NYX, because the NYX has a brush and you can really get that crisp line. So this is really great. I really love this from LA Girl. It's their neon eyeliner. I got it in that great color. Eyelashes, you know, I did an eyelash video on this. These are my favorite eyelashes. I literally wear them every single day of my life because I cannot stop. I absolutely love it. So now for the lips. Now, oh my gosh, the Jeffree Star Blue Blood Lippie. Oh my gosh, so excited. So this is my first time trying these lippies. And wow, as soon as I put it on, I was like, what is this? And of course, Jeffree Star, I know, would never fail. So he's amazing. I absolutely love him. So I realized I wanted like a little bit more of an ombre. So I just grabbed that blue right there. And of course, it completed the look. Know if you have this palette or if you have the other Colourpop palettes. I would love to know and see you in your makeup looks. So do reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of your makeup looks and you being as amazing as you can possibly be. Because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in blue eye makeup and blue lipstick, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you